traders, welcome to another video from RLTR group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving tomorrow. What are the key levels that we need to look out for, and what are the important points of reversals that might be a very good buy for you. So before I proceed, let me tell you that we run a live trading forum. We have almost done 2x of our capital within a week, but we want to go ahead, put in a lot of effort to see how the sample size is working. So most probably after next week's, I will be sharing an entire order sheet of our trades and analyze the accounts as to how. So we were trading in two accounts, and in one account we started with 1 lakh with Zerodha, and it turned out to be somewhere around 2.48. And then the other one with Alice Brew, where it was 1 lakh, and it turned out to be somewhere around 2.28. So we want to see how the next week performs, and at the end of next week, we will go ahead and introduce, how we are making those profits and what are the key things and stuff like that. But if you want to make similar profits, you can go to www.rltrgroup.com, or if you want to watch out what trades we took and how the profit was made, you can go to the Telegram channel that has been listed below and follow us on Instagram as well. So without further ado, let us go ahead and see what are the key levels for tomorrow. Now, like I told you, I'm always a very big fan of Nifty and the trend line that Nifty makes. So over here, the psychology would be the same, that please do not go ahead and buy puts just because you think market is on the top. That's how a lot of people lose money. So please avoid the mindset. Please follow the trend. If there is a trend line breakout, this particular trend that has been happening since the 24th of May, if there is a break, then you can go ahead, look for a short target after the confirmation of this breakout to somewhere around 150 points. Don't think that it is going to go ahead and correct more than that. But for that, at this moment, after what has happened to the data that has been released, and the reason why Dow Jones has rallied so much, so there is definitely a gap up on Monday. But however, how will the gap up sustain? Because there is a broad-based rally. It is not just the important uh, you know stocks that are actually performing, such as Reliance and the other one being HDFC. Now they have been under an unperforming suit, but however, if those guys wake up, then I don't think we are going to go, anywhere down. There's still an upside. So please follow the flow and go with the target. So at this moment, we are almost close. Like I've been telling you on a lot of videos, that there is a Fibonacci extension that actually came up with 15,800. So I think once that is crossed, we will have a round number breach to 1600 in the next week or in the next couple of days is what I am foreseeing. But until and unless there is a breakdown of this particular trend line, do not go short. And if you think the market is not moving with force, then you can actually go ahead and open some strangles and straddles and see how that can benefit you. In terms of Nifty, bank, now of course this is also following a trend line, but it is having a bit of more pressure than the other peer, which is Nifty 50. So what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead, keep an eye on a very important level here, because this is where a lot of game is been happening, and that level is supposedly somewhere around 35,723. So if there is a breach of this particular level, then we are going to go ahead and move on to the targets of 37,000. So that a 1,000 points target is actually going to come up. Now the reason why I'm saying so is because Nifty, Bank Nifty actually corrected from 36,497 last time. So, if there is a momentum to catch it with, and if HDFC Bank starts performing, then I think 37,221 is near, and we need to go ahead and look on the upside. Now, of course, over here, as you see, Bank Nifty is consolidating in a small range. So whenever there is a consolidation, then there is a highly likely a possibility that it will go up. So please keep that in mind and wait for this range to break out. Do not short anything in between this range. Always look for a buy position and always buy on supports and sell on resistances. So if there is a resistance breach and if it then starts acting as a support, then I think this 1,000 point rally is available for you next week. However, I would say if 35,731 is crossed, then we can look for 35,931, and then we can also look for 36,497 as the second target for the week, and 37,211 as well. So with this, I conclude my analysis of the indices today. So most probably from tomorrow, I will also come up with a couple of stocks that you can actually look out for a breakout. So we will try to catch up with whatever we have tomorrow. Until then, I thank you so much for your time, for watching this video. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. God bless you all. I will see you on another video tomorrow. Jai Hind. Goodbye.